Good evening and welcome to the news roundup for Tuesday the 8th of October. Before we get into the news, please remember to like this video, share your views in the comments, and share the video with your family and friends.
Reach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Now for the news in detail. The police were today taken to a location in Retreat, Glengough, St. Catherine, where the body of a missing woman was found in a shallow grave. The woman had been missing since the 28th of September. It is understood that a sibling reportedly confessed to the police on Monday about being involved in her disappearance and led them to the location where the body was buried.
Calm and jovial, you can talk to her. We run joke with them and tease them, and sometimes they will cry and then we say leave me alone and me not trouble you, and then we cuss you out, and everybody's still there as one in the circle here, so 100. Them can, just like if she goes somewhere now, she can go out of the area. Okay. Them brain is like a young child. Yeah, it's like a young child. Well, the mother, the Sunday, the mother went to Bagwa, Linstead side, Bagwa, Linstead, and asking people, right? That would be big road and you go left turn. So you go Linstead and go down. So Akaza Bagwa, Akaza side. And asking people, and people were just saying, them see her, them show them picture and them will say, them see her. Which in sometime, them will just say them see her. But when I went up the road last week and I asked my cousin to check him camera, because he have business in the square. And he said, check your camera and see if you see her come up the road any at all. Because when she pass here, my cousin see her and him say, alright, she said she soon come. No, he said he didn't see her, so I asked the next business owner to check her camera to see if she see her come up in the square any at all. So me saying no, she don't reach in the square. Somebody take her from before she reach in the square. Right?
The latest crime statistics from the Jamaica Constabulary Force show that there has been an 18% reduction in murders since the start of the year. According to the JCF, 879 people have been murdered between January 1 and October 5. That is 197 fewer than the corresponding period last year. St. James continues to record the most murders, with 105 as of October 5th. That figure is still lower when compared with the corresponding period last year, which saw 149 people being killed. St. James is followed by Westmoreland, which had 79 murders. The St. Andrew South Division recorded 22 fewer murders for the period with a total of 76. St. Catherine North saw 67 people murdered for the period. St. Catherine South recorded 65. Manchester seen an increase with 42 people killed compared to 30 for the corresponding period last year. Trelawney, St. Elizabeth, East Kingston, St. Andrew Central, and the St. Andrew North have also recorded increases. On the other hand, Portland continues to record the least number of murders with 8. Meanwhile, shootings have declined by nearly 7%, coming in at 797 as of October 5. That is 55 fewer incidents than the number recorded for the similar period last year. Other major crimes such as rapes, robberies, and break-ins continue to decline. An investigation has been launched into the death of a Denhamtown police lockup detainee who died at hospital. 23-year-old Michael Adams of Lancaster District, Portland, passed away at the Kingston Public Hospital on Monday. Reports are that Adams, who was being accused of murder, was escorted from the police station to the hospital on Friday, October 4, where he was admitted. He was reportedly found unresponsive around 12:30 on Monday. He was later pronounced dead. This is the fourth case involving the death of a detainee in police custody in the past 2 weeks. The Independent Commission of Investigations, INDECOM, is probing the latest incident. The Jamaica Constabulary Force is reporting that 27 foreign nationals were arrested between January and September for breaches of the Dangerous Drugs Act. The JCF says the arrests were made by the Firearms and Narcotics Investigation Division and happened at locations such as the island's airports. The successful interception of these foreign nationals sends a strong message that Jamaica will not tolerate drug trafficking, the JCF said. One of the latest arrests happened on Monday, September 30, when a 54-year-old British man was taken into custody at the Sangsa International Airport over the discovery of a white powdery substance resembling cocaine hidden in false compartments in 2 pairs of slippers in his luggage. The police say investigations are ongoing and charges will be laid against the man. They noted that this latest seizure follows the August 16 arrest of 2 British nationals at the same airport. The duo was reportedly found with 14 pounds of cocaine concealed in packages disguised as porridge mixes and coffee. The police say the swift action that led to the arrest of persons demonstrates the effectiveness of the JCF in disrupting illicit drug trafficking and highlights the crucial work of the Firearms and Narcotics Investigation Division in combating the illicit drug trade and securing the nation's borders. Residents of Trenchtown are bemoaning sewage water that has been running on Collie Smith Drive since Saturday, impacting businesses in the community.
I do shit water bus from yesterday. They call them, some come from Beaverton. You know, to come 10 o'clock, they come 8 o'clock, they come 10 o'clock, and them can't reach. The people, them, a boss say, lock the shop and race through the water thing.
So it affects your business?
Yeah. It's a ram long time. You see, it's a ram long time. The people see the water, you know.
One resident noted that the sewage water also poses a threat to commuters, including children, who are often at risk of being splashed.
A regular when rain fall. Back when you acquire pick them at school, you have to take up all stone for them not splash you. Because them a drive fast, because that them nearly do me this morning. I have to take up 2 stones. When them tell them say shit water this. I run. Because when them a driver come in, all them say shit water, them still a speed a come. Like them want to wet up. And people will fling stone at them car. Regular them do it, regular. Just up to this morning, I have to take up 2 stones. Them not splash up them a grandpit them. I carry them a bus stop for carry them at school.
A recent court ruling has determined that 6 mentally disordered prisoners who have been detained indefinitely after being found unfit to plead will remain incarcerated due to a lack of available support system. The Legal Aid Council, representing these inmates, sought a review of their detention and potential release, but face challenges in finding accommodations or assistance from family or institutions. Justice Lane Pusey emphasized that while the conditions in correctional facilities are inadequate, they are seen as a less bad option compared to releasing the inmates without proper support. He noted that their mental health has deteriorated during their time in custody and they remain vulnerable, reliant on the correctional services for care. The judge highlighted systemic issues in the treatment of mentally disordered individuals, calling for urgent legal reforms and better resources. He pointed out that the absence of dedicated facilities for such inmates in Jamaica, unlike in other Caribbean countries, exacerbates their situation. The court's decision reflects a commitment to balancing the needs of the individuals with public safety, stressing the need for comprehensive management strategies and community support programs for the reintegration of mentally disordered individuals. The Lindsay police have arrested a man in connection with the murder of a teen who died from stab wounds he received. The deceased has been identified as 19-year-old Andrew Carey of Cheesefield district in the parish. Reports indicate that around 10:30 p.m. on October 6, Creary was among a group of 4 men who attacked another man inside the bus park. During the confrontation, the man was hit in the face and sustained bruises and other injuries. In the ensuing melee, the suspect allegedly stabbed Creary in the chest. Creary was taken to the Linstead Hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. Following the incident, the suspect turned himself into the police and was taken into custody. The Linstead Criminal Investigation Branch is currently investigating the matter. The Hunts Bay Police have laid charges against the suspect, who was being sought for the murder of a woman in the Nelson Road community off Maxfield Avenue. Romario Grant, otherwise called Kaka and Irons, has been charged with the murder of Irene Leng. He is also under investigation for the murder of her son, Delano Messam. This was disclosed by Superintendent Damian Manderson, head of St. Andrew South Police. Investigators say on June 26, about 7:30 p.m., Miss Leng was sitting at her gate on Nelson Road when a motorcar with armed men aboard drove up. 2 men alighted from the vehicle and shot Miss Leng. The wounded woman was later pronounced dead at hospital. Grant, who was on the St. Andrew South Police's most wanted list, was recently captured during an operation in eastern Kingston. In business, Jamaica's unemployment rate has fallen as of April compared to the initial rate recorded under the Statistical Institute of Jamaica new system. In its latest report, Statin revealed that the country's unemployment rate stood at 4.2% as of April 2024. That is down by 1.2 percentage points from the 5.4 recorded in January. Statin says in April of 2024, there were 62,800 unemployed persons in the country. Most of those unemployed were females at 58.1%. That is a rate of 5.3% compared to the 3.3% for males. There were also 29,400 unemployed youth between the ages of 15 and 24 years in April of this year. That is a rate of 14.8%. Of that number, 15,100 or 51.4% were males. Statin says across the country, the unemployment rate was lowest in the Greater Kingston metropolitan area at 3.1%. The rates in rural areas and other urban centers were 4.9% and 4.8% respectively. In sports, 2019 World Championship long jump gold medalist Tajay Gale has confirmed that he has left the MVP track club. The 28-year-old declined to provide details as to what caused the split from the University of Technology-based club. However, he did confirm that he's making preparations to start working with respected St. Elizabeth-based jumps coach Kerry Lee Ricketts. Ricketts has guided the career of his wife Shanika Ricketts to 2 World Championship silver medals, as well as silver at this summer's Paris Olympics. Gale, who set the national record of 8.69 meters in 2019, struggled with a knee injury in the 2021 and 2022 seasons before returning to take bronze at the 2023 World Championships in Budapest. And that is it for your news roundup for today. We would appreciate you liking this video, leaving a comment, and sharing the video with your family and friends. Have a good evening and see you next time.